I'm going to record another cut and inlay part for you. Then let's choose any one and open it. OK. Then here is how many can be set. Let's say you want to cut 5. Set the quantity you want to cut here. Then set the numbers of all parts. Click Next to apply nesting. Click on the next page. Create a cutting cut path. After setting it up here, just like before, create the correct G-code and select Run. Just went in. If it is a handle, just click on it to create the G-code. Select a 2 or 4 axis G-code path. That's it. Click Finish.